Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll be showing you the procedure to join Roblox Emergency Response Discord server. To join the Roblox Emergency Response Discord server, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, open up or launch the Discord app on your device. Next, you want to head over to the left hand side corner, click on Add a Server or click the plus button. Then here you want to simply go ahead and type in join or select join a server. Then you want to go ahead and give discord.join. So this is going to be the prompt. Make sure that you have it exactly how I've entered. Make sure there are no mistakes or no spaces left. Click on join a server or click on join server. Now then you have to go ahead and follow the completion. So click on complete, and after which you have to make sure to verify your phone number and all that. So click on submit. Once you've actually read the terms and conditions and followed the on-screen prompt, you'll then be able to join, or you have successfully joined, Roblox Emergency Response Discord server. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.